Hello everyone. So today I wanted to share this little concept with all of you. Praying for the highest good of all. हम बहुत रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द ओकेजन्स पे किसी और के लिए प्रे करते हैं, राइट? रादर आई फील कि हम खुद प्रे ही तब करते हैं जब कोई क्राइसिस है या कुछ सिचुएशंस है लाइफ में जिसे हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं या हमारे कंट्रोल के बियॉन्ड है। ऐसे सभी चीज़ों के वक्त ही हम प्रे करते हैं। Rest of the times we conveniently don't opt for that option. So today I wanted to talk about prayer. So I feel prayer is not just saying some mantras or chanting something. Prayer is what comes from your heart, right? सामने वाले के लिए, खुद के लिए या फैमिली के लिए, फ्रेंड्स के लिए, एट टाइम्स फॉर स्ट्रेंजर्स, पीपल हुम यू डोंट रियली नो, ऐसे लोगों के लिए जो दिल से आता है, फॉर देयर वेलबीइंग, फॉर देयर हेल्थ, फॉर देयर हीलिंग, इज़ आई फील इज़ अ प्रेयर, राइट? So can we really think of praying for the highest good of everyone existing on this planet at this moment, every single day of our life? Can we really sit and ask to protect everyone, to look after everyone, to look after everyone's health? So I feel prayer is a genuine prayer is when you actually include people in it, right? It's not just for me, it's not just for my family, right? There is no self-centeredness in a prayer. There is no such concept as being selfish in the prayer, right? तो क्या हम सच्ची में बैठ के दिन भर के 5 मिनट हार्डली कैन वी रियली प्रे फॉर द हाईएस्ट गुड ऑफ एवरीवन, जहाँ पर सभी लोगों के लाइफ में अबंडेंस है, सभी लोग सेफ है, प्रोटेक्टेड है, लुक्ड आफ्टर है और खुश है, राइट? So probably this 5 minutes of praying for everyone, being grateful for everything in our life is what we all need to do right now. Rather than just being self-centered and focused on me and I as an individual, right? ये I या me जो है वो ईगो से आता है. Prayer doesn't come from ego, it comes from your genuine feelings towards someone, towards people around you. तो शायद आप किसी स्ट्रेंजर को रास्ते पे देख लो और आपको लगता है कि बेचारा कैसे उसका लाइफ चलता होगा. And when you have this thought about someone, can we really just pray for that person and say कि शायद उसके लाइफ में जो कुछ भी चल रहा हो, let it just be resolved and things be fine and let him be happy in his life. You see some accident happening on the street or some fights happening on the street. Can we really for a moment in our mind say that whatever is happening be resolved peacefully, or whoever is being hurt gets help immediately? If you see an ambulance, if you hear an ambulance, can we just say that let it reach the place where it is supposed to reach on time, and whoever is in it get the best help possible, and let him be happy and healthy and go back to his home as soon as possible. So क्या हम ये without any conditions बहुत दिल से किसी के लिए कर सकते हैं क्या? Can we really pray from the depths of our heart? And I feel if we really start doing it, a lot of things in our life will shift. A lot of perceptions that we hold about people and everyone around us will change, right? सबका अच्छा होना ही तो इम्पॉर्टेंट है, right? We all have to walk together, we all have to grow together. It's you cannot just be on an island with yourself, right? उसमें कुछ मज़ा ही नहीं है. मतलब I'm not saying कि you don't be comfortable with yourself and you don't love yourself. That is what you have to do as a priority. We all have to love ourselves. But there comes a point where you need to include people. Growth happens in inclusion of people and not exclusion of people. लोगों को साइड में रख के ग्रोथ नहीं होती है, right? सबको साथ में लेके ग्रोथ होती है. So think about this. Can we really practice this prayer every single day of our life and bless everyone and help everyone in a different way probably, right? So think about it and do let me know. Thank you so much.